How to add progress bar in CapCut. Hey guys, in today's video we are going to explore an exciting feature in CapCut that can add a professional touch to your videos. The progress bar. A progress bar is a visual indicator that shows viewers how far along they are in your video. It's a fantastic way to engage your audience, so let's get started. First, open CapCut and either create a new project or open an existing one. Make sure your video clips are already in the timeline. Then simply drag and drop it into the layer, click the audio and then add text to it. In the text bar, add some dashes. Once done, make it bold and decrease the character. Select this style, scroll up and increase the font size. Again scroll down and decrease the thickness. Let's adjust it. Now copy the layer and paste it. Select the first layer, scroll up and change the color. Let's add green color. Go to animation, scroll down and select slide right. Increase the duration. Now let's preview it. Once you're satisfied with your progress bar, click export, choose your setting and save your video with added progress indicator. And there you have it. You have successfully added a progress bar to your video using CapCut, the engaging visual element that can help your viewer attention and make your content more interactive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it thumbs up, and if you have any question or any suggestion for future tutorials, leave them in comments below. Thanks for watching and happy editing. Don't forget to subscribe for more video editing tips and tricks and tutorials. Stay creative and I'll see you in the next video.